Hello friends, welcome back to Online Web Tutorials. Today I am going to discuss why strings are used, the different ways to manipulate strings, and the different ways of writing strings. We will cover double quotes, single quotes, and template literal syntax. In my opinion, template literals solve a very big problem in JavaScript. We will explore everything, how strings are created, used, and manipulated. So, let's get started. JavaScript strings. A JavaScript string is simply a sequence of characters. Let's take an example. If we want to write hello in JavaScript, we do it like this. Let str equal to hello. This is called string creation in JavaScript. Console.log str. The output is hello, length of a string. To find the length of a string, we use the built-in length property, str.length. Console.log str.length. The output is 5. You can write strings in 3 ways. Using double quotes, using single quotes, using template literals, which we'll cover later. Let's take an example. Let str equal to online web tutorials. Console.log str. The output is online web tutorials. Now, let's use single quotes. The output is online web tutorials. Important point. When using single quotes to create a string, make sure to close it with a single quote. Similarly, when using double quotes, close it with double quotes. If we mix them incorrectly, JavaScript will show an error. Let's see an example. Let x equal to double quote hello single quote. Console.log x. The output is error. Accessing characters in a string. We can access string characters using indexing. X bracket 0, indexing starts from 0. The first character is at index 0. And x bracket 1. The second character is at index 1 and so on. It print character at that position. At last, it prints undefined because at index 5, no character found, length counting JavaScript start from 1 and indexing start from 0. Template literals, string interpolation. Template literals allow us to write strings enclosed in backticks instead of single or double quotes. Where is the backtick key? It's located at the top left corner of your keyboard below the escape key. Let x equal to 10. Let y equal to book. Console.log backtick. The price of the y is $X. The output is the price of the y is $X. It is not printing value of variable. To print the variable value, we need to add dollar curly braces like this. The output, the price of the book is $10. Writing variables with a dollar sign and curly braces like this is called string interpolation. It is an important interview question. Using quotes inside a string. With template literals, we can include both single and double quotes inside a string easily. Let's take an example. Let's hello world. The output is let's hello world. Why use template literals? Makes code cleaner and more readable. Allows variable embedding inside strings. Supports multi-line strings. Escape characters. Sometimes we need to include special characters like quotes or backslashes inside a string. JavaScript provides escape characters for this. Let x equal to single, quote, let quote s quote. Console.log x. It show an error unexpected identifier s. But if I add backslash and run this, the output is let's. So when we need to write words like this, we need to add backslashes inside a string like this. If I print length of the string, the output is fire. But if we count here 6 character, in JavaScript, a backslash followed by a character is counted as a single character. Here a backslash and single quote is counted as one character. If I write double quotes, let backslash double quote s double quote. Use Ctrl plus D to select these 3 quotes and edit them. The output is let double quote s. New line and tab escape sequences. Let y equal to my backslash and name. Console.log y. The output is my and name in next line. Slash n for next line. If I remove space, my and name start from the same position. Slash t use for tab. Replace n from t, the output is this. We covered. Strings are fundamental in JavaScript. You can write them using single quotes, double quotes, or template literals. Template literals make it easier to embed variables and format text. Escape characters help manage special characters inside strings. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to comment below.